Hey, Jordan here with the all-new White Rock Dodge. We're here at the second annual Elgin Car Show, and unfortunately we got rained out, but still a lot of awesome cars and awesome people. So White Rock Dodge is actually the lead sponsor for this show this year. The money donated all goes towards the auto class for the school, which is great. We have a lot of young people getting into working on cars and personalizing their vehicles, and you know, that's awesome.
So a huge thank you for that. And just a little.
Gotta go to the auto kit too.
Yeah. Alright. Car show support. I'm just gonna read this because, you know, words. As you know, this year, Elgin Secondary, blah blah blah. We wanted to say a huge thank you to everyone who made this event possible, which is everyone here. And there's a few people we want to point out specifically. We want to say thank you to White Rock Dodge. Financially, huge. Really, we couldn't have done this without you guys. So, really appreciate that, and hope that this was a good opportunity for you as well. Thank you to I wrote that down. KMS Tools, Lorico Auto Parts, the Cabin Restaurant, KB Tire, Jack FM, RT Tires and Wheels, Amplifon, and Haggerty. They donated everything for the draws